So here's how to add AI chatbot to your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix website account. Now here from the left panel you have to simply scroll down and go to the apps option. Then click on the app market option here to open your Wix app market. After that, here in the search bar you have to simply type in live chat or AI chatbot. Then here you have to simply open this app. To open this app you have to simply click on this link. Then here at this interface you will be able to view the option add to the site. Click on this option to add it to your Wix website. After that, click on the agree and add option here. Now click on the go to the editor option to add video live chats and AI chatbots to your site. So that's how to add AI chatbot to your Wix website.